Hello beautifuls, let's quickly prepare homemade moimoi. So watch to the end to see step by step how I prepare this moimoi. Here is my beans, it's already washed. I washed it with my bare hand. I didn't really make use of my blender. You know that you can also use your blender to wash your beans, that's for easy washing, but there is always a difference when it comes to that. That is, if you are not very careful, it might turn into powder form before washing your beans. What I have here is fresh pepper, oshombo, onion, so I have to blend them all together. I will say it again and again that oshombo still remains the perfect food color that you can ever use to get a perfect meal. Did you see what I added? Seasoning cube. I like blending my seasoning cube with my pepper mix on the beans instead. This is to avoid some undissolved seasoning cube in the moi moi while eating it. So I rather blend everything all together. That is made for you. What I added here is salt and crayfish. So right now I want to blend my fresh tomato. I never wanted to use my electric blender, so I decided to use my manual one so that I will be seeing some tomato particles in my moi moi. That's the reason for using this manual blender. I'm done blending, so let me quickly make a sauce out of it. Here is the onion and I will be adding the fresh tomato here. Once it's half done, I will add it to my moi moi. Here is it, looking so yummy. So let's add it and mix. So let's add it and give it a thorough mix. Here is my vegetable oil. I've added it, so I would give it a thorough turning. When I mean thoroughly, left, right. And here is my beef. So I decided to blend it and also add it to the moi moi and still give it a thorough mix too. So once I'm done, I will check if the texture of the moi moi is good for me. If it's not good, I'll add a little warm water. Then give a thorough mixing. And here is the moi moi sitting pretty well in its plate. Can you see how yummy it looks even though it's not yet done? How many eggs can you see here? 7. But I bought a dozen. If I'll come back, 5 of it has broke. What can I do? And to manage what I have. Oh my god, my moimoi is done. Done and ready to be consumed. See how sweet it looks. Can you guys see it? Let's cut it. Oh my god. Can you see? Do you see those tomato particles I was telling you about? Can you see how the inside looks like? Very yummy. Very yummy. Look at it. It's very good. I can cook. Thank you for watching, guys. I love you. Thank you for staying with me to the end of this video. I love you and hope to see you again in my next video. So here I'm eating my moimoi. Let me modelize it. Cassava flakes. That's what I'm using to eat it. So you can use your pap, moimoi with pap, moimoi with salad, chicken, moimoi with white rice, moimoi with jollof rice. It can go with anything that suits you. Thank you, guys. I love you.